Hi team, Mr. Rito here, looking at High Unit 12, which looks at similarity and congruence. Okay, let's just have a stroll down, look at what some of these questions look like, and then start. There we go. Let's read the question. Question 1. Diagram shows two rectangles. So here's two rectangles. The rectangles are similar. Work out the value of W. So you've been told they're similar, which means that this side has been multiplied by some scale factor to get to here, and that same scale factor would have multiplied this side to get the side over here. So let's look at the multiplier first of all. How do we get from 30 to 120? So the scale factor would equal 120 shared by 30, and cancel out the zeros. How many 3's go into 12 is 4, so the scale factor is 4. Now, so this number here has been multiplied by 4 to get to 84. So we have times this number, this value W, by 4. Now if we want to go the other way around to reverse, going backwards, since we know this side is 84, if I want to go the other way, instead of timesing, I divide by 4. Okay, so I divide 84 by 4. How many 4's going to 8 is 2, and how many 4's into 1? 4 is 1. So the value of W is going to equal 21. Since 21 multiplied by 4 is 84. Okay, sweet. Let's move on to the next question. Let's see what we're going to do here. If I scroll down, go. Question 2. Let's have a quick read. So the rectangle ABCD is mathematically similar to the rectangle DAEF. Okay, so they are similar. Now ABCD, and then we got DAEF. Now what could be a good thing to do here, right? Okay, let's just work out this first of all. So AB is 10, then AD is 4. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the DAEF triangle next to it. Let's just do that. I'm going to call that D A E and F. So DAEF is similar to ABCD. So I know that A to D is 4 centimeters. And right, I need to work out the area of the rectangle DAEF. Okay, before we work out any area, let's have a look at the multiplier, which has gone from 4 has become 10. What do we multiply 4 by to get 10? So the easiest way is to just do 10 shared by 4, which goes in twice. Remainder 2 over 4 is a half. So the multiplier here is 2.5. Okay, now I've timed something by 2.5 from this side to get this side. So the reverse, if I want the side here to here, is divide by 2.5. Okay, you can use your calculator if you want. Just do 4 shared by 2.5 to get the side of AE or DF. So if we just do 4 shared by 2.5, you'll get 1.6. So this side here is 1.6, and since it's so it's 1.6 by 4. Okay, this one's 4 by 10. So since we need the area, we just need to do the length times the width. So the area here of DAEF is going to be, the width is 1.6 multiplied by 4, we'll get 6.4 centimeter squared. That's what the area. Okay, let's move further down. This, scroll down to question 3. Okay, you got 2 questions here. You got work out the length BC, the second part, and work out. Okay, so let's just do the first part here. Okay, so they'll have a disclaimer saying that these two shapes are not accurately drawn. Okay, but they must tell you whether they're similar or not, and in this case it tells you A, B, C, D, L, M, N, P are mathematically similar. Okay, so they're going to be multiplied by some scale factor to get to each side. If we start from looking at these sides, since they are corresponding, 6 goes to 9. So 6 goes to 9. You can see what's going on there. You can just do multiply 9 over 6, which is 3's into there is 3, 3's into 6 is 2, so that's 1.5. So the multiply is times by 1.5. So what does the question say? Work out the length LP. LP. So you know that one is 5. So going from 5, what we do is we multiply 5 by 1.5, and you get the length 7.5. Okay, so LP will be length 7.5. And if we wanted the next part of the question, so you got those marks there, if we just quickly just scroll down and work out the length BC. This is also work out the length BC. So all I have to do is B to C. I want this length, B to C. Now this side is 12. I want to go the opposite way. Okay, so instead of timesing, this shape is 1.5 times bigger. This side is 1.5 times bigger than this. So this side is 1.5 times smaller than this. So the way we're going to make this side smaller than this side by 1.5 is by doing divided by 1.5. Okay, so in order to do the next question, when it says find the side BC would equal 12 divided by 1.5, which will equal 12 shared by 1.5 on your calculator, and that will give you. So there we go. The length LP will equal 7.5, and the length B to C would equal 8. Okay,